A guiding light, Al-Anon Step 1. We admitted we were powerless over alcohol, that our lives had become unmanageable. Step 1 is often the hardest and the most freeing. Many of us spent years trying to manage or fix someone else's drinking, believing that if we just said the right thing, loved them enough, or controlled the situation, we could make everything better. Accepting our powerlessness doesn't mean giving up, it means recognizing the truth. It's the first step toward peace. By letting go of the illusion of control, we create space for our own healing. Step 1 invites us to be honest about how deeply alcohol has affected our lives and how much energy we have spent trying to manage the unmanageable. 1. In what ways have you tried to control someone else's drinking? Sample answer: I used to pour alcohol down the drain, give lectures, threaten to leave, or hide my feelings, hoping it would make a difference. 6. List 3 specific things you cannot control related to the alcoholic in your life. Sample answer: 1. I cannot control whether they attend treatment. 2. I cannot control their moods or outbursts. 3. I cannot control whether they acknowledge their drinking problem. 8. Write a short paragraph describing how it feels to let go of trying to control someone else. Sample answer: at first, it feels uncomfortable because I'm used to trying to fix everything. But when I stop forcing things, I start to feel lighter. I realize I have more time and energy to focus on my own peace instead of fighting a losing battle. We learn that we are powerless to control another person's drinking, and that trying to do so makes our own lives unmanageable. An excerpt from Courage to Change, page 4. A guiding light, Al-Anon Step 2, coming soon. Now available at agl911.com and on Amazon. Follow the link in the description below. Start your journey today.